Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Guys, today we're taking a look at Cardano. ADA is pumping, y'all. If you want me to keep Cardano in the rotation, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Comment below. I don't care which. I just can't keep doing 1,000 altcoin videos. So the ones that get the most reactions, they stay in the rotation. The ones that don't, they get kicked to the curb. So if you want Cardano to stay in, show it some love. Guys, Cardano is pumping. How high can we go? Is the rally over? Is this a fake out? Are we headed down? Let's dive in. Weekly time frame on Cardano. We got the Damien buy signal down here. Damien divergences. Guys, this indicator is a beast. This is an indicator that I created, and you can only get it at anthonyleeraw.com. Go ahead and get it now. I'm about to remove it from the indicators tab here. You can get all of our indicators, or Damien is the first one. If you do not get the suite of all 5, Damien is the first one listed. Look what it can do, guys. First of all, it gave us this indicator a few weeks ago, and since that time, Cardano has pumped up 49%. You can see all the signals it gave in the past. Look at this, just beast mode, buy, sell, buy, sell. You can't beat this indicator, guys, literally. You cannot do it. You will not find a better one. I custom developed this based on my own personal trading strategies. Anyway, looking at Cardano here, I do think there's some room left in this one, guys. We haven't actually come up and met our resistance target, which you can see just by looking to the left. Let me toggle Damien off, even though I know you're going to hate to see it. Go look at these signals, guys. You can see clear support and resistance targets here when we look to the left. Coming in right here, about 23 to 24 cents. We haven't quite reached that, so I definitely think we don't stop before we get there. And if you get through that, we can look up a little bit higher around this 28-cent range. You can see another clear line of support and resistance. I mean, every time you see it support, 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 and then when you lost it, it's just been resistance, resistance, resistance. So good news is, guys, if you get above that, you could look at all these relatively equal highs here, guys. You could squeeze all of this if you were able to get over that, but I don't think you're going to get over that 28-cent level on the first pass. I could actually see it going something like this, move up, come back down, and then come up into it before you come back down and consolidate and then go up. So, and this could take some time, but I do think there's a little bit of juice left in the tank here, guys, for Cardano. If we were to maybe get a little bit of a reprieve here, pull back, and then push up into that 28-cent level, you could still squeeze out another 40% out of this move, making the total move from Damien signal to 28 cents a 100% rally, guys. Don't think you can't do it, guys. Damien calls these signals all the time. The last one from this area in the bear market you got several of them back here, but you know, same time frame, kind of comparable situation here. I mean, you got 50 percenters, 92 percenters, so I think that's very reasonable. 100 percenter, 28 cents, that's what I'm looking for. Let's look at the monthly time frame, see if anything is going on the macro. Okay, this is very, very, very encouraging. We do have now a confirmed Damien buy signal on the monthly time frame for Cardano. You do not get this very often. In fact, this is only the 5th one you've ever gotten, and it is not unconfirmed, guys. It is confirmed. You have 7 confirmed divergence here. That's the most ever. You had 2 here, 3 here, 1 and 1. And look at the pumps you got. When you got back here, that was it, the end of it. When you got it down here, that was it, the end of it. Each of these massive moves, guys. 96%. Of course, the first one down here was a big 10,000% rally. And the last one that you got was about a 350% rally. So this is confirmed, guys. Now, it doesn't mean you go straight up in a line, although you did here. I don't think that's going to happen here. But it does mean it's very likely that a macro low is in. So you may not come back and take out this low, this bear market. It could mean something like this, and then you work your way up over the next few months, guys. So this is a really good sign. Again, you've only gotten it 4 times ever, and this has confirmed. So Damien looking good here, and look, it is not often wrong. I mean, it gave you all the big tops. So for those of you Cardano holders, and let me be clear, I don't own Cardano. I don't care. I don't have a dog in this fight. I'm just bringing you the good news that I see on my indicator. If you want this indicator, you can use it to trade daily, any time frame, any asset, Bitcoin, altcoins, you name it. AnthonyLeeRaw.com. Get yours today. I'll see you guys next time.